We have a new resource. We have a new gift for anyone who emails me. It's a little booklet that Steve has put together. I'm holding it up, Steve, there you go. And Peter's talked about his paper, and we've talked about it on other episodes, and about the 10 principles that he goes by, including the one he's really just talked about, which is reach out to others. All right, so each page of this booklet, and it's a beautiful thing that Steve's created, is one of the principles. Deal with reality, but recognize facts aren't the complete reality. Don't let your emotions dictate your perspective. They're all here. There's 10 of them. They're on these beautiful cards that you can cut out and use, or you just have the booklet. We would like to make this available for you. We'd like to give it to you, but we do need you to email me so that I can send it to you. I'm at Jenny@bernsteininstitute.com, Jenny @bernsteininstitute.com, and we will send you one of these. And this is a very nice thing.
It's beautifully done. Our producer's very good at this.